Cause we outside from long time, yeah. No fight, yeah. All night, yeah. Cause we outside from long time.
Alright, so Mike on the mic here, we getting to know the people who competed in the competition. What brought you out here to Ducky Knockout, Christian?
Well, every year we keep coming consecutively, and for the year so far, all the competitions we entered we placed first. So we're looking for a third one again this year to keep the streak going.
Yeah.
You know?
So I know men ain't said before, but I know Christian is an honest fella. What's the little secret? So where you can give Trinidad and Tobago the little secrets to make the duck better?
Well, the secrets, you don't give all the secrets, right? Secrets are meant to keep secret. But we little secret is love. That is where it come from here.
I love it, guys. So we're looking forward to the tasting, Christian. What do you feel about the community coming out and embracing this competition?
Well, I mean, it's a good thing that everyone in the community participating. They keep something going yearly in the community and keep the spirit alive, because plenty communities you go, you don't see no togetherness. And this is a great thing to have going here. I would like for it to keep it up.
What's the name of your camp?
Well, our camp is AirTRon Duckers.
Where you get that name from?
Well, boy, we was looking for a name. Well, our business is air condition, AirTRon cooling, so we just decided to put it together because me and the founder are the persons running our company. So we just give that name.
So AirTRon forget to work with the air condition today, or?
Well, we now thought about how the place really did. We can already do it one today.
We're looking forward to the tasting right here on Mike on the mic. Christian, thanks for coming on, man.
Cause we outside from long